it's her 7th month, guys. And feeling ko may lumalabas na ng ngipin si Aliyah. Mommy just need to look. Mommy need to check. Bouncy, bouncy. Are you gonna see Miss Rachel, Aliyah? That's Mama's camera. Ang aga namin nagising 7 o'clock. Kasi ihahatid ko si Daddy sa train station. Ayan. Pupunta siya sa London for work. For, like, 3 days and 2 nights. So, meaning, kaming dalawa lang ni Aliyah and Lady. So, 3 lang kaming maiiwan dito sa bahay. And, yeah, i-drop off ko si Daddy sa train station. Ayan. Ayun na si Aliyah. Ready na siya. Tulog pa rin siya, guys. Ayan. Tulog pa lang siya sa bed kasi tulog pa siya kanina. And then, nilagay ko na siya straight dun sa kanyang car seat. Ayun. So, tingnan natin, guys, kung maso-survive natin ang life that with Daddy away from us na for work. Ayan. So, 3 days, 2 nights, ako lang with baby. So, hello, everybody! It's Aliyah's 7th month today. We say hello, everybody! Hello, everybody! Ayan, it's her 7th month, guys. And feeling ko may lumalabas na ng ngipin si Aliyah. May something na parang white dun sa kanyang gums sa ilalim. Pero gusto ko siyang i-check. Ayan o. Ginangat-ngat niya yung kamay niya. And then she's very grumpy. Pero naglalaro lang kami. And then she just like, yung nag-grumpy siya. No? Yeah, I think she's getting a teeth na. Teething na siya. Guys, so I wanna check actually. So today, kaming dalawa lang nga kasi si Daddy ay nasa London for work. Today, tomorrow, and on Thursday. So dalawa lang kami ni Aliyah dito sa bahay. Tsaka of course si Lady. Right guys, parang nagtititing na si Aliyah. I'm just gonna check it, guys. Hold this, baby. Okay, I know. Let's have a look. Mommy just need to look. Mommy need to check. Oh, alright. Meron, guys. May lumalabas. Meron na, guys. Meron na siyang teeth. It's coming out. She's teething. Aliyah. Sorry, kisses. Hi, guys. Andito na tayo ngayon sa kusina. Diyan lang muna kayo. Ako ay maglalagay ng labahin for Aliyah's clothes. Madami ito. Ayan. So, I need to wash. Doon siya ngayon sa kanyang nursery. Naglalaro. Ayan. Nakikita ko naman siya dito eh. Sa cellphone. Ayan. She's playing. Maglalaba lang ako, guys. Lalagay lang sa loob ng labada. Guys, nagising na si baby. Siguro mga 1 minute ko lang siyang nilapag. Ito na siya, guys. Oh, tignan niyo. Naglalaro mag-isa. Ang maganda niyan, hindi siya umiyak. So, kaya ang gagawin natin, puntahan na natin siya. Pero, magsasampay tayo ng mga damit. Let's go. Hello, Baba! Hey! You say, hi, Mommy! Hi, Mommy! Gising na siya, guys! Hey, baby! What's that you found? So, you stay there, okay? Stay muna siya dyan sa kanyang crib. Habang ang mommy ay magsasampay ng mga nilabhan. Hello, guys! Yes, lady? Ayan, nandito na tayo ngayon sa baba. So, magme-merienda lang ako. Time check, it's 12:20. I'm just gonna have my merienda. And, habang si Aliyah ay andito sa kanyang play area, dito sa sala namin. Ayan, actually, guys, what I do is, I just let her dyan sa baba na mag-ikot-ikot. Ano, Aliyah. Yan. So, I'll just let her play, guys. Habang ako ay magmerienda lang konti. Are you gonna see Miss Rachel? Are you gonna see Miss Rachel? Look at her, guys. Bouncy, bouncy. Are you gonna see Miss Rachel, Aliyah? Aliyah? Yes, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, keep going, keep going. Yep, jumpy, bouncy. Gonna make it bounce. That's it. Yay! Well done, darling. Wow, look at that bouncy. Bounce, bounce, come on, keep going. Keep on, keep it. Show mommy how you bounce your chair. That's it. Show mommy how you bounce your bouncer. Yeah, yeah, well done. Good job, Baba. But for now, you can hold mommy's camera for now. Yeah, that's it. Keep going. Wow, wow. Lovely bouncing. Lovely. Okay. Good job. So, si Aliyah ay nanonood na kay Miss Rachel. Andun siya sa... Andun siya sa sala, guys. Nanonood siya kay Miss Rachel. So, ako naman, habang siya ay nanonood, ako ay busy dito sa kitchen. Maglalabas ako ng mga hinugasan ng aming dishwasher. Yan. Lahat to, guys, is clean. Ayan. So, yan yung gagawin natin ngayon. Hi guys! So, ay! okay. Wait lang, kasi nahulog niya yung teeter to. Medyo chilled to, galing sa ref. So, hopefully, it can soothe her gums. Ayan. Kinakain niya. So, she's teething, guys. No, you don't like. Mommy is making you your food, darling. Okay, wait for mommy. May naka-prepare na ako na food ni Aliyah. So, in-steam ko to kahapon. Ito yung apple. And, wait baby. And yung sweet potato. Okay. Very grumpy si Aliyah. You know guys, kasi nag-start na siyang mag-teething. Ngayon lang. Kung kailan mag-isa ako, wala si daddy. Grumpy siya. Guys, so, I'm just gonna cuddle her. Kasi umiiyak siya. Ano? You're crying? And mommy doesn't want you to cry. So, we'll prepare your food, okay? You're gonna watch mommy? So, gumawa ako ng formula. And then, ihahalo ko siya dito sa spoon niya. Do you wanna hold your spoon? Don't drop it. Okay? And then yung glass niya. So, ganito lang guys. Imamash ko na tong naluto ko na sweet potato kahapon. Ayan. So, masama yung pakiramdam niya, si Aliyah. Ayan. So, what we're gonna do is transfer this here. 7 months na si baby at nagtititang na siya. So, this is the apple. I'm gonna add this. Let's put this in. So, we're getting ready for you to eat. Remember, food o'clock. Can I have ta? Good girl. Let's put this one. Aliyah, it's okay, baby. Wow. Look at that, babe. Yes. And now let's put your table. Ready for food. Yeah. Be careful. Apple? Yep. Okay. She's feeding herself. Nice? She's not a fan of apple, guys. Itong si Aliyah. She find it sour. Ano? Maasim? Maasim yung apple? Hindi naman eh. Tikman ko nga. Sarap? Sarap naman? Good girl. Ito din yung baso niya, guys. So, as early as 7 months, 6 months, nung kumain siya, binilhan ko na siya ng ganito kaliit na baso. Though meron siyang sippy cup, nung ito. Ito itsura. Pero nabasa ko na same muscles yung ginagamit nila sa pag-suck ng milk, I think. Pag ginagamit nila yung baso. I'm not 100% sure, pero nabasa ko siya. Water? Yeah, water. Drink water, Celia, guys. Okay. Do you want more apple? Siyempre, hindi siya makasagot, diba? Umiinom siya. Mami talaga. Celia is eating strawberry, guys. Snacks niya. That's Mama's camera. Very nice. It helps your gums, baby. Nice. You like it?